Does needs TLC equate to this? Not exactly. Let's break it down and show you why fixer-uppers may be the right choice for first-time homebuyers, not just investors. In real estate, TLC means tender, loving care, a friendly way of saying the home needs work. These fixer-uppers usually have a lower price tag because they need repairs or renovations, ranging from simple cosmetic fixes to full-on remodels. Why consider a TLC home? Pros: lower purchase price, less competition, and the chance to customize your space. Cons: renovation costs, time-consuming projects, and surprise repairs. Before buying, check 3 key things. Layout: does the flow of the home work for you? Major reconfigurations can be pricey. Location: you can fix a home, but you can't move it. Structure: watch for red flags like water damage, outdated wiring, or foundation issues. Bottom line: in today's competitive market, buying a fixer-upper can give first-time homebuyers a better shot at landing a home. And remember, your first home isn't your forever home. So don't waste time chasing perfection. Get your foot in the door and build from there.